Thank you for buying your new Woom bike from the Little Bike Company. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your new bike. First, let's get the bike and the bits and pieces out of the box. Now we'll unwrap the bike and get it ready for assembly. Let's put the handlebars on. Now we can get rid of the rest of the packaging. You don't have to do it this quickly. The saddle should be set at the correct height for the rider, with the child's feet flat on the floor. If you bought a Woom, Vienna or Bing bell as part of your order, it fits differently, and we will show you how shortly. If you have any problems or questions, please do get in touch. We'll be happy to help. We hope your child has lots of fun on their new bike.